Hi, my name's Jo, and I am a member of Gavin's Facebook Amplify training course, which has been hugely valuable to me in my business. I'm a marketing VA, and I was looking to expand my offering. And whilst I knew a little bit about Facebook ads, I knew that I didn't know enough. So I've been able to absolutely learn heaps and really upscale my offering just through taking the course. But for me, the priceless bit has actually been the access to Gavin himself. He's so generous with his time. We are able to jump into Slack and ask him any questions that we want. And literally last week, I was really struggling with a conversion ad that I'd set up, or a set of conversion ads. I could see on lead pages and in Infusionsoft that the ads were converting, but on the stats on Facebook, nothing was happening. And Gav was brilliant, jumped on a call, did a little bit of Sherlock Holmes work, and within 5 minutes he'd found a rogue bit of code in my Facebook pixel, got it all fixed, helped me to get it all sorted, explained what was going wrong, and the ads are converting at an absolutely phenomenal rate now, which is brilliant. So yeah, I can't recommend it highly enough.